is one of the standout features for me. This design allows the cookware to heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly. I noticed almost immediately that hot spots were minimal even when cooking on higher heat. What's included in the 15-piece set? This set is very well balanced for everyday home cooking. It includes 1-quart saucepan with lid, 2-quart saucepan with lid, 3-quart saucepan with lid, 4-quart sauce pot with lid, 8-quart stock pot with lid, 8-inch nonstick frying pan, 10-inch nonstick frying pan, and 3 nylon kitchen utensils. For me, this covers almost every cooking need, from boiling rice and pasta to making soups, curries, sauces, and stir-fries. I rarely feel like something is missing. Cooking performance. The heating performance is where this set really shines. Because of the aluminum core, the pots and pans heat up faster than many budget stainless steel sets I've used before. More importantly, the heat spreads evenly across the bottom, which is crucial when cooking foods like sauces, eggs, or anything that can burn easily. The saucepans are perfect for everyday tasks. I regularly use the 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans, and they perform beautifully for boiling, simmering, and reheating. The 8-quart stock pot is a lifesaver when cooking for guests or making large batches of soup or biryani. The non-stick frying pans are another highlight. Eggs slide out easily, and I don't need much oil. Just remember that the frying pans are not induction compatible, unlike the stainless steel pots. Induction and stove compatibility. One thing I really appreciate is that the stainless steel is induction compatible. I use different types of stovetops, and knowing that this set works on gas, electric, and induction gives me peace of mind. The pots sit flat on the stovetop and don't wobble, which is something I always check. Handles and lids. The handles are comfortable and secure, made from durable plastic that stays cool while cooking on the stovetop. The grip feels confident, even when lifting heavier pots like the stock pot. While some people prefer metal handles, I personally like these because they're easier to handle and safer during long cooking sessions. The stainless steel lids are well designed with a bell shape and rolled rims. They fit snugly and help retain heat and moisture. I also like the stylish knobs, which make the cookware look more premium. Oven and dishwasher safety. Another big plus for me is that the cookware is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows me to finish dishes in the oven when needed. The inclusion of 3 nylon prestige cooking tools is a nice bonus too. Cleanup is straightforward. The stainless steel pots are dishwasher safe and they clean up nicely even after heavy cooking. I usually hand wash them to keep the shine longer, but it's great knowing I can use the dishwasher when I'm short on time. Just note that the non-stick frying pans should be treated a bit more gently. Durability and long-term use. After regular use, the cookware still looks great. No warping, no loose handles, and no noticeable decline in performance. Stainless steel naturally requires a bit of learning, like preheating properly and using the right amount of oil, but once you get the hang of it, the results are excellent. Value for money. Considering the quality, brand reputation, number of pieces, and performance, I genuinely feel this set offers great value for money. Even with shipping and import charges to places like Bangladesh being high, the core product itself is built to last for years, making it a worthwhile investment. Final thoughts. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the Farberware Classic Stainless Steel Cookware 15-piece set. It delivers reliable performance, classic design, and excellent versatility. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or buying your first serious cookware set, this is a solid choice. If you enjoy cooking, want even heat distribution, easy cleanup, and a cookware set that looks good as it performs, I can confidently recommend this one based on my personal experience.